Welcome to our channel. If you need to update your name or address with the Social Security Administration, follow these step-by-step instructions for each type of change. Step 1. Understand that name changes and address changes are handled differently by Social Security. Address changes can often be done online or by phone, while name changes require documentation and visiting an office. Step 2. To change your address, create or log into your My Social Security account at ssa.gov. Navigate to the Profile section where you can update your mailing address online. Step 3. Alternatively, call Social Security at 1-800-77-21213 to update your address by phone. The automated system can handle address changes, or you can speak with a representative. Step 4. For name changes, you must visit a Social Security office in person. You cannot change your name online due to identity verification requirements. Step 5. Gather required documents for a name change, including proof of your legal name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, court order, or amended birth certificate. Only original documents or certified copies are accepted. Step 6. Bring proof of identity showing both your old and new names. A driver's license or passport in your new name is ideal, along with your current Social Security card in your old name. Step 7. Complete Form S. S5. Application for a Social Security card at the Social Security office. Staff can help you fill it out correctly. Step 8. Submit your documents to the Social Security representative, who will process your name change and issue a new Social Security card with your updated name within 10 to 14 business days by mail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.